Thought of the day: the more you read, the more you will know. The more you learn, the further you will go. 1. Tanvi Sharma wins the women's singles title at the World Junior Championship 2026. India's Tanvi Sharma delivered a stellar performance in the final to clinch the women's singles title at the World Junior Championship 2026. 2. Dr. K. Radhakrishnan appointed chairperson of the high-powered task force for exam reforms. The central government has appointed Drive. K. Radhakrishnan as the chairperson of the high-powered task force constituted to reform the examination system. 3. Dr. Neelima Roy becomes the first female Director General of the Geological Survey of India, GSI. Dr. Neelima Roy has been appointed as the first female Director General of the Geological Survey of India, GSI. 4. Mirabai Chanu wins her third consecutive gold medal in weightlifting at the Commonwealth Games 2026. India's Mirabai Chanu made history by winning her third consecutive gold medal in weightlifting at the Commonwealth Games 2026 with an outstanding performance. 5. ISSF World Cup 2026. Vijayveer Sidhu wins gold in the 25 meters pistol event. Indian shooter Vijayveer Sidhu brought glory to the nation by winning the gold medal in the 25 meters pistol event at the ISSF World Cup 2026. 6. UNESCO includes Dhuli Stupa, Orissa, in the World Heritage List. UNESCO has included the ancient Dhuli Stupa, located in Orissa, in the World Heritage List 2026. It is a symbol of Emperor Ashoka's policy of peace and Dhamma. 7. Official integration of UPI, Unified Payments Interface, between India and the Maldives. UPI services have been officially integrated between India and the Maldives to promote digital payments. 8. What is the objective of the Pradhan Mantri Surya Sarovar Yojana? The objective of this scheme is to promote solar energy across the country and provide farmers with clean and affordable energy for irrigation. 9. The Public Examination Amendment Bill 2026 primarily aims to curb which offence? This bill has been introduced to curb offences such as paper leaks, cheating, fraud, and unfair practices. 10. Which state recently approved the Electric Vehicle Policy 2026? The Uttar Pradesh government has approved its Electric Vehicle Policy 2026, which aims to promote e-mobility and reduce pollution.